Welcome to my channel. This time I'm going to build a portable rack for 33 centiliter beer bottles. If you instead want to build a rack for 50 centiliter bottles, you will need to make the rack a little wider and use a hole saw that is just over 7 centimeters. I use a shelf that is 30 times 100 centimeters and start by cutting the shelf into two pieces that are 12.5 centimeters wide. For my 12.5 centimeter wide pieces, I cut two pieces that are 32 centimeters long. Then I cut three more pieces to a length of 25 centimeters. On the pieces that are 32 centimeters long, I make a mark 3.3 centimeters from one short side and center from the long sides. These marks are the centers of the holes that I will drill. I drill a hole in each piece that is 0.5 centimeters deep and 2.5 centimeters in diameter. I make marks on the short side closest to the drill hole 3.75 centimeters from the long sides and marks on the long side 16 centimeters from the short side. Then I draw straight lines between the marks. Time to cut off the excess on the pieces according to the markings I just made. To prevent the pieces from sliding on the sled when I cut, I use a piece of double-sided tape. I have set the stop block on the sled at the same distance as the thickness of two pieces and the height of the saw blade at 0.5 centimeters. Now I place the short side of the piece against the stop block and make a first cut. Then I cut away what remains down to the short side. I set the stop block on the sled to 12.8 centimeters and make the first cut. Then I use a piece the same thickness as the shelf to measure where the next cut should be made and move the stop block to this position. Then I make a second cut and cut off the rest between the two cuts. I take two of the pieces that are 25 centimeters long and measure the middle lengthwise. Then I make marks 2.5 centimeters from both long sides of the pieces, and finally I make marks 7.5 centimeters from the center towards the short sides, which is exactly the same as 5 centimeters from the short sides. Now all I have to do is drill along the markings I made. To get exactly the same distance from the edge, I have made a temporary jig that I hold the pieces against while I drill. I didn't have a hole saw that was exactly 61 millimeters. The closest size I used was 60 millimeters. This size is too tight for the beer bottles, so I had to widen the holes by a little over a millimeter. I round the edges of the pieces a little. I only round the bottom piece on the underside of the long sides, and the piece that will be glued to the bottom piece only round on the top side. When it comes to the horizontal piece that is placed higher up on the bottle rack, I round off the top and bottom of the long sides. I cut a round stick that is 25 millimeters in diameter to a length of exactly 25 centimeters. Now I have all the pieces I need. Just need to glue the pieces together. After further sanding, I protect the bottle rack with 2 coats of epoxy. Here is the final result. I am happy with the design. Time for some beer.